Today is a big day, not only for me, but for many others who decided to choose God. I decided to get baptized because I feel like God has brought me so far, and I want to continue growing in my faith and relationship with Him. Since I started Searchlight Church, I've changed and grown in so many ways. I've learned to trust God more, lean on Him through hard times, and appreciate all the blessings in my life. Getting baptized feels like a start to a new chapter for me and a way to show how serious I am about my faith. I just want to say how grateful I am to not only see how far I've came, but also others, and I'm excited to see where God leads me next.
My name is Bella, and I have decided.
Hi, I'm Carmen, and I have decided.
Hi, my name is Cynthia, and I've decided.
Hi, my name is Josiah Ennis, and I have decided.
My name is Alexa, and I have decided.
What's up? I'm Josiah Cologne, and I have decided.
Hi, I'm Barbara, and I've decided.
I'm Pam,
And I'm Matt.
and together
We have decided.
I have decided that I'm all in, publicly declaring tonight that I am and will continue to father Jesus Christ, my Savior.
When I got baptized before marrying my wife, I didn't make the decision entirely by myself. Today is different. I'm having chosen to be baptized because I'm ready, and this decision comes of my own heart and my personal relationship with Jesus Christ. I'm publicly declaring my faith in Him.
Hi, I'm Kathy, and I have decided.
My name's Travis. I decided.
My name's Catherine.
My name's Kaylani.
And we have decided.
Hey, my name is Oscar, and I'm here. I have decided today that Jesus as my Lord and Savior.
Hi, I'm Alexis, and I have decided.
Hi, I'm Barbara, and I have decided.
Hi, my name is Tom, and I have decided.